Everyone knows who the Kardashians are, but do you know why they're famous? And no, it's not what you're thinking. They're actually really great marketers. But what is marketing? Marketing is about adding value to any person, product, service, or place.
This week, we learnt about how marketing impacts our everyday lives. For example, marketing can be used to determine political outcomes.
For our field of work, we had to go to a mini golf park, and then we had to redesign the field that they had to attract more customers.
Marketing can also be used in politics. So we as young people can take notice of social issues around us and find a way to change them. So we got together and presented political parties to offer solutions to issues like global warming, sexism, and mental illness in New Zealand.
And so marketing can affect your lives in many different ways without you knowing. And depending on how it's used, it can lead to negative impacts. Negative outcomes. An example of this is World War II.
Hitler was voted in by the people, but how was he so successful in coming into power? He simply utilised simple marketing tactics. He recognised the needs and vulnerability of the German people, and he promised them wealth and a better life. But as we all know, he used the German people to carry out his own motives.
Yesterday we went to the supermarket and did some product research on honeycomb. This allowed us to understand that even a good quality product like this won't make money without quality marketing. Our goal was to rejig the honeycomb product to make an appealing brand to the specific target market.
In conclusion, marketing is so much more than meets the eye. Our group did so much more than what people usually think of as marketing. We designed products, learned about marketing and politics, and we even got free ice cream, which we think was a really good marketing tactic to get us into a course of marketing at uni.
We'd like to say a huge thank you to Rob and to Lucy for an amazing week and for teaching us heaps about marketing, and we look forward to seeing you when we come back in future.